I'm 19 years old and I'm a British-born Muslim, and being British and Muslim are inseparable for me. My parents weren't brought up practicing Christians. They stumbled across Islam after looking at other religions, you know. It just answered all of their questions. I always knew that it wasn't the norm for British people to be Muslim. I went to a state school from the age of 4, so I didn't go to school with Muslims. And at that time, there was very few Muslims in Norwich schools. I was taken to the mosque every morning before I went to school for Quran classes, so I knew that that was a big part of my life. A man in the community gave me a job at his local trainer's shop. I remember one day a lady came in and started speaking to me really slowly, and you know, she had a really strong accent as well, and I said, you know, I just thought, well, I can speak better than you can, you know, why are you speaking to me slowly? I found that really funny, but because of how I was dressed, perhaps she thought that I wasn't English. I've come from a British background. I've taken Islam as a pure faith without any cultural background. So I've taken on the teachings of Islam as pure as they get, but I still feel connected with the people in England. I don't feel discriminated against as a Muslim woman living in Britain.